Morning, guys. It is February 9th, 2021. Sunday morning. Got a call from a guy. He's got no heat. He wants me to come out this morning. I guess him and his wife are pretty cold, so it's probably about 30 degrees out this morning. Not crazy cold, but I try not to work on the weekends unless I have to. People got no heat. They want to pay the time and a half. I'll go. So, I guess he's got a gas boiler over there, and he says he can hear it clicking, trying to start, but it won't start. Well, we'll go find out what's going on with it. Hopefully I got the parts in the truck. So it is Sunday, right? So can't get no parts.
Turn right on State Road.
If anybody's gonna have the parts in the truck, it'd probably be me, so. It's not too far. It's 5 minutes away type of thing, so I'll try to get you some shots when I get there.
I did shut the gas off too.
Electronic sparker. You got gas in the house?
Yes.
This is a weird one. Fucking weird one. Should be able to bypass it. Just fire it up. So where that comes into this plug, I might be able to just put a jumper on it. And just leave this alone. This is our problem. I mean, how cold is it in the house?
It's like 50 something. 50.
Yeah, it's cold, huh? Yeah.
My wife's pregnant. I really just, you know what I'm saying? I was hoping we could do something that I could just get going or whatever.
Yeah, so it's in this control that's acting up, you know? There is a bypass lever on it. I should leave it open. You might be able to put a bypass plug on it and just do away with it. You don't need it anyway. See how it went out?
Yeah.
Alright, so we got this on bypass, so that should stay in it, and it's definitely you know, probably inside this control here. I'm gonna leave the cover off for now. As long as it's working, get some heat in the house, right? I definitely don't have that control there, but I don't think that's your issue. We did check the hot surface igniter down there, which is kind of odd to have it. It's okay. So how long you been without heat?
About 12:30 last night.
Wow. $50 degrees in the house. I mean, it could be worse. Alright, so he's gonna go turn the thermostat down, what you just did, so it shut off. He's concerned it's not gonna. Go ahead and turn it up now! We'll see if it fires. I got this on bypass. I don't have one in the truck. She just fired up. You just fired back up again.
Okay.
So we'll just leave that alone, leave that on bypass, and that shouldn't. Before, what was happening when it shut off, it would shut off, and then when you call for heat, it would turn back on, and there's an end switch in there that was acting up. So now that we got it on bypass, it just stays there all the time. You understand?
Okay, I got you.
So now the power's coming up and going back down. Before it would go up, this thing would operate, and then when it opened all the way, then it would let the power back through.
Okay.
You know? But now that it's on bypass, it should be usually you do that, and then you don't have to worry about them no more. You shut the power off, it's going to stay open. It's going to stay open. It's never going to shut.
Okay.
That's all that does is that gives you like 1% more efficiency.
Okay.
So when your boiler shuts off, that shuts off and leaves the heat in the boiler. So now that it stays open, if there's a draft in the chimney, you'll pull a little bit of heat out, like 1%.
Okay.
So instead of 85, it's probably 84 now.
Okay. Okay.
Which, you know, that control's not cheap.
I got you.
So I would just leave it alone and let's let it run, okay?
Okay. It's freezing. Yeah, I think the furnace shifted back.
Bypass, it's a boiler. It's not a
I don't know what the hell I never.
a furnace has no water in it. It just blows hot air. A boiler has water in it with radiators.
Oh, so a furnace would be like forced hot air, that type of thing.
That would be a furnace. A boiler has, you know, just water in it. And we're good. We got good pressure there at 20. We're coming back warm. Got PEX. Okay, it should be all set. We'll just leave that alone, that damper.